Good morning. Positive for today. Pag-usapan naman natin yung social constraints. And it basically limits or pressures our experience in the social situations due to societal norms, tradition, expectation, or even our personal condition. Ito yung takot tayong ipakilala or ipakita yung totoong sarili natin dahil takot tayong mahusgahan or masyado nating iniisip yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. At sana po makatulong itong positives ko sa inyo. Una, build confidence. Practice your social skills in a low-pressure environment to build your confidence over time. Pangalawa, seek meaningful connections. Focus on a few but deep and meaningful relationship rather than trying to please everyone. Remember, quality over quantity. Pero ang pinakamahalaga dyan, huwag mong sasabayan yung society i-pressure yung sarili mo. And always find your safe space with your families, or friends, or even your churchmates, the people you're entrusting yourself with. Love, love.